very proud to greet everybody here in the room and say thank you to our graduates that they accomplished and came to this day. Okay, now. Congratulations to the class of 2024. Here is to our future filled with hope, determination, and the promise of making a difference in the world. Thank you.
Because of you, we will be supporting, reassuring patients and giving them better hope when they are fearful. I congratulate all of you and thank you for your dedication and wish you all the best for coming days. Thank you.
I'm happy I got my diploma. I'm happy I'm ready to embark on a new journey.
It was a great experience. It was hard work. It was definitely. And I'm proud of my work. I'm proud of my work. I'm happy I'm here. There's many more to come. Thank you.